Welcome to GEPL Capital's another market outlook video. I'm Sanket Bendre from the fundamental research team, and today's video we will be discussing some of the key highlights that happened in the past week, as well as Nifty's forward PE multiple and order book of some of the key companies in the defense as well as consumption capital goods sector. So let me share my screen and we will start the video right ahead. Okay, now I hope my screen is visible. So yeah, so as I mentioned, in the first will be on the key highlights from this week. So if we see, the first and the latest news was from yesterday. So HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank's part-time chairman, Mr. Atanu Chakraborty, has resigned from his position as a part-time chairman of the company. So if we see, this came an abrupt concern regarding the HDFC Bank, as he mentioned that values and ethics were not matching with his personal consensus, as well as raising concerns around the governance. So, however, the bank and RBI made a clarification that there were no material concerns regarding the conduct or governance. So, if you see, post that resignation of Mr. Atanu Chakraborty, HDFC Bank as well as RBI held an investor conference and mentioned that there were some personal reasons for this resignation, and as a result of that, there was some discrepancy between both management and Mr. Atanu. So, as a result of that, we saw that he abruptly resigned from his position. The next will be the one of the most hot topic, that is the Iran and US's military conflict. So Iran, if you see, Iran has intensified its attack on oil and natural gas facilities around the Gulf region. So these are the raised stakes in the war that is sending shockwaves across the energy markets, which includes crude oil as well as natural gas. So as a result of that, prices of this has been increasing across the countries. So the strike by Iran came as a retaliation for the Israelis' attack on the key Iranian gas field, which was located in the South Pars region. So as a result of that, Iran retaliated by attacking the Qatar's North Par region. So we are seeing that impact on the crude oil as well as on the natural gas prices. So the next update will be on the rare earth metals side. So if you see, Indian government on Friday has invited bids for an integration of rare earth permanent magnet manufacturing plants. So this scheme uh, is approved for worth approximately 7,280 crore, and the scheme aims to build a complete domestic value chain of converting rare earth oxide into a sintered NdFeB, which is essential for India's strategic and industrial advancement. So the current it is targeting in a capacity of approximately 6,000 metric tons per annum. The next update will be on the IT sector. So if you see, IT giant Accenture has posted healthy Q2 2026 financial results, and it has revised its revenue growth guidance band from 3 to 6% to 4 to 6%. So this provides a limited support to revive the sentiments around the IT sector, as booking growth continues to decelerate over the last few months. Further, if the demand environment is also similar to 2025. So, however, there was some positivity given that since it is posting good results, so we might expect that Indian companies should post some good results in the upcoming Q4 quarter. But still, if you see, most of the concern is regarding the artificial intelligence. So, the company which develops its artificial intelligence will be the one to win this race in the IT sector. So, that will be a key thing to watch out for. So, in this slide, if you see, we are discussing all the 1 year forward PE multiple of all the indices around the globe. So if you see Nifty, just a second. So if you see Nifty 50 and Sensex, both are currently trading at a valuation of close to 19.6 and 19.7. This is still at large higher compared to its competitors, which include South Korean's market Kospi, then Hang Seng, which is currently trading at 12.4. Then if you see Shanghai Composite is trading at 15.9, and MSCI Emerging Market is trading at 16.8. So despite this, so as so if we see, when we compare Indian markets to other Asian markets over this range, most of them are trading at a lower multiples compared to the Indian markets. However, on this side, if on the left hand side, if you see, this includes the Russell 2000, Nasdaq, Nikkei, S&P. They are currently trading at a higher valuation compared to the Indian markets. So there are major competitors, including the South Asian market, which includes Kospi, Hang Seng, then Shanghai Composite. So these are some of the markets that we are competing against. Okay, so in this slide, we'll be discussing the order book of in the defense sector as well as capital goods sector. So in the defense sector, if we see HAL, which is one of the major player in the defense sector, has one of the largest order book, which is approximately 2,520 billion rupees. Then the next comes at BEL, which is at 700 billion rupees, and as a result of FEC, we move towards the right hand side. Then there is Mazda with 237 billion rupees of order book, and then if we see here Azad Engineering at 65 billion rupees. If we compare that order to book sales ratio, then HL again stands at a higher value at 11. Then Mazda goes at 8.7. Similarly, if we see GRSE, it is at 3.2, and Zentech comes at 2.1. So these are some of the key companies in this defense sector overall. On the flip side, if we see there are capital goods sector, so L&T, which is one of the major leader with 7,000 billion rupees of order book, order backlog in their position with Siemens with at 430, and the least it comes as Elecon Engineering, and it will be the next with Schneider Electric. So these are some of the companies with some of the good order book in the capital goods sector. So we would say L&T, Siemens, then ABB. These are some of the companies we should keep a watch on for, given their healthy order book and their conversion ratio to the sales. So I guess that's all for in this video. So I hope you like this video, and do like and share and subscribe GEPL Capital's uh, um, outlook video, market outlook video, and we do like, share, and subscribe GEPL Capital's YouTube channel as well. So thank you.